Hi, Julian here from the SERP.net team. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of Ultimate Research, which is a keyword research tool that can help you discover the least competitive, most profitable keywords in your industry, find hidden ranking opportunities and high return on investment keywords for your search campaigns, filter out keyword results based on search volume, cost per click, traffic value, pay-per-click competition, and much more, search for related domains, as well as long-tail keywords, and estimate the number of monthly site visitors, sales, and revenue for your website. Please note that Ultimate Research uses the Google Ads API for search volumes, cost per click, and pay-per-click competition score. Ultimate Research is located in the Keyword Research section in the Tools menu. Here we can see my history of past searches with the number of keyword suggestions I got and the database I selected. To run a new search, click on the blue plus icon located here. First, you must enter the keyword or keywords you want to research and select the Google database and language you want to run the search on. Note that you can select a specific country from this list or select everywhere for all countries. There is also an option to run an advanced search where you can specify a state and city for your search, as well as select if you want to run a broad or exact search. A broad search will show you suggested keywords that Google finds are related or relevant to the keyword you have entered, which can include those that don't contain the keyword. An exact search, on the other hand, will show only suggested keywords that are the same or have the same meaning or same intent as the keyword you entered. For this example, let's do a simple search. I click on Search Keyword. Here are the results. Here we can see the keyword I entered, as well as a list of suggested keywords that are often associated with the keyword I entered. The data that you can see at a glance are the average monthly search volume, a mini search volume trend graph, the cost per click, estimated monthly traffic value, and pay-per-click competition score. You will also see next to the monthly search volume either a green upward arrow or red downward arrow. This arrow indicates whether the average monthly search volume for the last 6 months in comparison to the previous 6 months is increasing or decreasing. If you wish to add another keyword to your search without having to do a new search, you can do this by clicking the plus button here. You can view additional data relating to each specific keyword by clicking on the 3-dot icon on the right hand side, which will give you the following options. Launch Keyword Analyzer. This will launch our Keyword Analyzer tool, which provides you with a keyword difficulty score, that is how hard it will be to rank for this keyword. You will also see some metrics, as well as the top 10 results in Google for this keyword. Search volume per country. This will show you the average monthly search volume for the keyword in other countries, so you can do a quick comparison depending on the database you selected, the volume for nearby countries. View Trends Graph. Here you can see the full-size version of the mini trends graph, showing you the average monthly search volume for the keyword over the past 12 months. The graph can be downloaded as a PNG, JPEG, PDF, or SVG file. Check for related keyword domains. This will run a search on Namecheap for related domains that are available. Get long-tail keywords. This will launch our long-tail keywords tool, which you can use to search for associated long-tail keywords in multiple databases, such as Google, Bing, YouTube, Amazon, and eBay. You will be able to see search volumes, cost per clicks, traffic values, and pay-per-click competition scores for each long-tail keyword. Google Search. This will launch a broad search for the keyword in Google using your Google settings. Finally, Revenue Calculator. Here you can use our revenue calculator to calculate and estimate things like the number of monthly visitors, sales revenue, and AdSense revenue. Lastly, if your search returns a large number of results, you can narrow down the list to only show those that are of interest to you using our filter option. You can set filter parameters, such as including or excluding specific words from the results, or including and excluding results that have a certain number of average monthly search volume. Finally, you can download this data in the form of a PDF, text, CSV, XLS, or ODS file. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly support team by clicking here and on Submit a Ticket.